Hey you guys! Today's video is going to be about my really quick and easy no makeup look. Makeup routine doesn't pertain a lot of products, so I figured that I would just kind of do this video for those of you that don't want to look like you have a whole lot of makeup on, but yet you still have makeup on. So if you guys are interested in watching this video, make sure and give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every Tuesday and Thursday when I upload a new video. And without further ado, go ahead and just keep on watching. Now the first thing that I do is take a really hydrating primer, which today I'm going to take the Too Faced HongoveRx primer. And I like to just put this all over my face. I do have combination skin. My dryness usually is in my T-zone, so like my nose and my forehead area. So I like to first go in with a hydrating primer. And then to fill in some of the pores that I have on my cheeks, I'm going to go in with this ColourFX blurring primer and really just focus this right here. And on my chin as well. And for this makeup routine, I do go in with concealer first because I have powder foundations that I am going to be putting on. So I like to do cream products first. So I'm going to go in with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer. Just put this under my eyes to conceal my under eye bags. And I like to take a concealer that's more like my skin tone, not a shade lighter or anything, because I'm not trying to lighten up my under eyes at all. I'm just trying to cover the darkness. And then I literally just use my finger to blend this out. And I put this concealer on any blemishes that I have as well. Now I'm going to take a powder to set that concealer in place. Today I'm going in with the BareMinerals Original Mineral Veil powder. It's just like this pinky powder. And now that I have that powder down, I can go in with my powder foundation. And today I'm going to be using the BareMinerals Original Foundation in Fair. And I like to take this flat top kabuki brush and just swirl into it. And then tap off the excess. And then just buff it into my skin. And one of the reasons why I really like this powder foundation is that you can build it up to the coverage that you want. So if you want just like a light coverage, you can do a light dusting of the powder. But if you want like full on like coverage, you can just build it up and it looks beautiful on the skin. It has almost like a luminous glow to it. It's really hard to explain, but it just looks so beautiful and ethereal, and like no matter how much you build it up, it never ever looks cakey. So that is one of the reasons why I love this. Right, now that I have that down, I'm going to go back in with that same powder that we used to set the concealer and dust this all over my face. And now that we have that on, I usually go in with this Too Faced Natural Face Palette. It looks like that. And I like to just dunk into this shade right here called Pink Sand. and dust that on my cheeks. I don't really like to go in with bronzer or anything, but you could go in with a bronzer shade as well if you wanted to add that step. But I like to just dust this on my cheekbones. It kind of gives you like that nice flushed look. It makes you look like you have natural rosy skin. I take it up to my temples as well, just because I don't like to look like I have like foundation on. That's why I add some blush. And then I just dunk into really any highlighter, but I like to go with more of a kind of a subtle one. And today I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution Goddess of Faith highlighter. This is just all about the glowy skin. I love how that looks. And for brows, I go in with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel Mascara in Blondy Brows. This is a fiber gel mascara, so it kind of just adds a little bit of a tint, and it just looks beautiful. So that's what I do for brows, because I honestly don't like to mess around a lot with my brows. I just like kind of like the bushy effect we got going on. Now I'm going to set my face with the Ulta Beauty Dewy Makeup Setting Spray. I just like the hydrating effect that dewy setting sprays have. And then I just throw on some mascara. Today I'm going to use the Revlon VolumAzing mascara. This is in black and brown. I don't like to put a whole lot of mascara on, just a little bit, just to kind of make you look like you have naturally long black lashes. And then for lips, it really just depends on what kind of look I'm going for. If I just want like a glossy lip, I'm just throw on this Laneige lip sleeping mask, just because it's super hydrating and it looks super glossy. But if I want something more with a tint in it, I go for something like this, like the Physicians Formula Butter Lip. It's kind of like a tinted chapstick kind of. So I think today I kind of want some color on my lips, so I'm just gonna dot this on. This color is so good. It's like a My Lips But Better lip color. This is in Soaking Up the Sun, so I really love that. And that is all that I do for this makeup look. I don't do any sort of eyeshadow at all, no bronzer really, just a blush. And that's all I have for you in today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!